While many leaders are great at encouraging their employees, there's a bigger need: guiding an employee's career path. This becomes even more crucial in today's world where career paths aren't as clear-cut. Yes, employees are responsible for their careers, but leaders can't just wash their hands of it. It's about more than just climbing the corporate ladder. It's about navigating a career lattice and finding creative ways to develop skills and interests. Why does this matter? Employees who feel that they belong are less likely to leave, which saves on training and replacement costs. Their loyalty drives productivity and innovation as they contribute their best to a company that supports them. So how are you helping your employees carve out their career paths in your organization? Go ahead and share it in the comments. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I'll see you next time. Hey, subscribe to my channel and check out the description below for some awesome extras you don't want to miss. Catch you in the next video.